We hebben op dit moment 10 studenten uit Amerika van de Waynesburg University. En dit is al het 7e jaar dat ze bij ons komen. En een gedeelte van hun kerstvakantie, hun winterbreak, besteden deze jongeren aan vrijwilligerswerk doen bij Transworld Radio. Nou, dit zijn studenten die allemaal communicatie hebben gestudeerd. En de een gespecialiseerd in radio en de andere televisie. En voor hun is eigenlijk Bonaire dé plek om naartoe te gaan, omdat hier staat het grootste radiostation uit de Western Hemisphere. En dat is Transworld Radio, op het kleine Bonaire. En ze vinden wat ze allemaal in de klas geleerd hebben, dat passen ze hier in principe toe. Onder andere maken ze radio-jingles voor onze Voice of Hope radio.
Thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever. From your friends at TWR, have a blessed day.
A lot of you out there may feel as if you are too broken, too damaged, and that you will not be welcomed into the house of the Lord. But everyone here at TWR wants you to know that that simply is just not true. You are not defined by your past, but prepared by it. You are not scarred by your suffering, but become stronger because of it. The Lord does not judge you by the things that man will judge you for, but instead looks at your heart. Find hope in the fact that the Lord's love for you will not be shaken.
Maar ze doen ook ander vrijwilligerswerk. Ze schrijven artikelen. We krijgen veel brieven van luisteraars en daar maken ze leuke verhalen van. Ze zijn aan het grasmaaien. Er moet ook veel geverfd worden bij de transmitter site op de Zuid. Maar goed, voordat ze hierheen gaan, gaat er wel heel traject daar vooraf. En ze moeten allemaal $1200 betalen. En dat is natuurlijk al heel wat. Als je achter ons doel staat, wij kunnen altijd handen en voeten gebruiken. Ja. En ook voor het papiamento, we stenden uit op Voice of Hope. Dus bijvoorbeeld een paar mooie mensen die mooie jingles willen opnemen, dat soort dingen. Ja, we kunnen altijd vrijwilligers gebruiken, zeker.
Right now we are basically trying to remove old rust on some of the ceiling supports, and now we're getting ready to paint them so they can resist the weather down here. We found it actually because another teacher at our university was an intern here in the 1970s, and then she made the connection and wanted to see if we could still help Transworld Radio because she's been a part of the organization for 40 years. So we started coming here 7 years ago through that connection. So we have a Christian mission at the university, so we know the importance of service, but also they get to combine their unique skills in media creation down here with Transworld Radio.
The first 2 days, we were both back at the studio recording things for the station. And I'm a journalism major, so I was doing a lot of writing for the website and things like that. And today's more manual labor, a lot of painting and things like that. But so far, so good. Can't complain. So.
Yeah, no, I'm having a blast. I'm actually not a communications major. I'm a nursing major, so I'm kind of the outlier. But it's really cool for me to take myself out of nursing for a little bit and put myself into a completely different world, of the communications, and even being down here, everything's so different. And that to me has just been an amazing experience so far. I think, taking myself out of the States, putting myself into a completely different country, working with Transworld Radio, and just the fact that those basic Christian values and belief, that doesn't change. That is the same for wherever you go. And so I think it's really cool how we can all connect in that way.
I've been on mission trips before. I think this is my 7th one, but the first 6 I went to were all in the United States. I'm a little familiar with Bonaire because Andrew Jones is a baseball player from Curacao. That's nearby. But just the thought of going to another country to be on a mission trip as opposed to being in the United States in a place like South Carolina, that was different.
I've never traveled out of the country before, so I've flown before, so I knew what to expect on the plane ride.
Where am I going to enter? Probably somewhere, I'm hoping somewhere in sports journalism. That's where my main entrance is. I have experience writing general news too, but the one thing I know for sure is I want to be sports writing for some outlet somewhere.
So obviously something in the medical field. Right now, I really liked the NICU, which is the neonatal intensive care unit. So working with tiny little premature babies and babies that are going through like alcohol withdrawal and other kinds of withdrawal and stuff. It's sad, but it's very rewarding. It really touches my heart because they're so young and vulnerable and they need love too. So.
Hopefully I get to go to the beach. I haven't really done that yet. But aside from that, eating at 1 or 2 restaurants maybe, seeing what that's about. Just exploring the town a little more because there's a lot of good scenery here. So hope to just kind of keep things up and see some new things as well.
Tomorrow and Friday we'll definitely be back in the studio, and people will still be working here, but definitely in the evenings and all day Saturday we would like to explore a lot and learn more about the culture and more about the country, and definitely hit up the beach. I think that's on everyone's bucket list while we're here, but yeah, we definitely want to experience more of the culture and just really enjoy our time. So.